Here's how to make QR code using Microsoft Word. So first of all, open your document and right click this blank space in ribbon and click on customize the ribbon. In here, you have to activate the developer option, then click on OK. Now select the developer menu and here click on add-ins. Click on store and here search for QR Office and you have to add this QR for Office add-in. Once it's successfully added, here in this right hand menu you find QR code Office add-ins dashboard. Just select here the QR code type. So I'm selecting HTTPS and now just entering my website link here. And now here we can see the QR code preview. If you want, you can customize your QR code from here. You can change your QR code background. You can also resize your QR code from here. And finally, click on insert. And here we can see the QR code successfully inserted. Now, click on this icon to customize your QR code just like this. So this is how you can actually make a QR code in Word. Thanks for watching.